Look at that wave. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Right there.
Oh my God.
Abort. No, nothing to do with this. Nothing to do with this. Yeah, we don't want to go in there, my friend.
This is too shallow right here. This is too big already, I think.
Yeah, that's freaking way.
Yeah, I'm not
risky.
I'll turn around.
Yep.
Too much money worth of crab on board. We can lose our boat. We can lose all our crab and lose our. We can lose our lives.
Holy smoke!
Oh,
It's got to be 25-foot freaking break surf coming in.
oh my goodness.
2 extra hours,